Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because this one we have negative number 1. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have negative number 1. Negative and negative, we have positive. Later that, we divide both sides by Fn number 3. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for this one. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.